AI is coming for your job, but not in the way you think. Right now, thousands of people are secretly using a tool called AutoGPT.
It's not just another chatbot.
It acts like a full-blown employee, writing emails, generating reports, and even coding apps.
All without a human.
Imagine replacing your entire workflow with one simple command. Writers? Replaced. Assistants?
Gone.
Junior analysts?
Not needed anymore. But it doesn't stop there.
AutoGPT can chain together tasks. It can plan a content strategy, research a market, write the articles, schedule the posts, and track engagement, all on its own.
You're not just automating a task. You're automating entire jobs.
Small business owners are using it to create full websites, run digital ads, and even manage customer support.
One prompt, and it builds an entire funnel. And now it's getting easier.
With tools like Agent GPT, Cognosis, and God Mode, even non-techies can launch autonomous agents in minutes.
It's like giving a robot a brain, a to-do list, and the internet, and just watching it work.
Companies are already quietly using these agents to cut costs. You just haven't heard about it yet. Even crazier? Some people are hiring AI agents to run entire businesses. They browse the internet, analyze competitors, optimize ads, and it works.
This isn't science fiction.
It's a quiet revolution, and the ones who catch on early?
They win big.
If you're not learning this stuff now, you'll be working for someone who did.